Here's how to change default apps on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change default apps on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. Before doing any tutorial or showing you anything, you need to be on latest iOS version. So let me show you what iOS version I'm on right now. If I go to software update, it'll show me my update software version. But yeah, it's checking for updates. But let me just tell you, without if it's not showing, you have to be on iOS 18.2.1. So you have to be on the latest iOS version to do that. If you're below that, you won't be able to do that. Just make sure you are on iOS 2.1 or something, 18.2. So yeah, just go to bottom until you see apps. Just go ahead and press on apps. And right over here, you'll see this new option called default apps. So simply go ahead and press on default apps. And here, as you can see, now you can change it to pretty much every default app you'd like to. For email, you can choose Gmail or Mail. It's up to you. So let me just change it to Gmail. And then for messaging, you could choose Messages, or if you got any compatible app with it, you could do that, but Messages is fine. And then you got calling, you can change it to FaceTime or a phone. It's up to you. And then you got call filtering, and I don't know, I don't have any call filtering app. And then browser app, it's up to you, whatever you want to set your default browser app. I choose Safari or Google. And then the passwords and keyboards and everything, you could choose your keyboards and everything as well. And yeah, this is actually it on how you can change default apps on your iPhone. So I hope this video actually helped you. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.